अरे जाल्यार कोर्टाक तुम्ही गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाकडे जर काही पावर नाही जाल्यार वाय इज द गोवा PWD engineers are coming there पासून ते काम करून दिले. Goa doesn't have any say. This is what is given by Ministry of National Highways. Goa doesn't have any say. And Panchayat has right. The state government doesn't have any right. Okay, the resolution. See, the fight has to be big enough. I'm here. Panchayat Highway. I'm telling you, I'm very. पंचायत आहे आधी कोणागे कोण दूध मोडोवपाक कोणागे पोते भायर सगळ्यांक कोणागे डाटा कसले केले ऑल इश्यू आमी केले हे इश्यूज जे जोणेकले पांच हात ते इश्यू जाताले ते नॅशनल इश्यूज आमी घेतले.
You show me where it is written that Panchayat cannot stop a state project or a central project. Panchayat is a constitutional body. You all are elected members. Gram Sabha has got powers. We can raise all issues. Pardon? Nowhere it is written.
You just cannot issue a demolition notice.
Excuse me, madam.
If you are already claiming it to be illegal, why haven't you taken action? Why haven't you pasted a demolition notice and told him within 15 days, if you do not submit the required documents, I will demolish this. It's under your jurisdiction. Just don't say illegal. One doesn't know, this one doesn't know, that one doesn't know. What else? You are elected representative of this Panchayat. There is nothing I'm saying.
Anand, listen. For illegal some of the things we have issued a demolition notice. There are so many cases pending where stay order is brought and it is kept on hold.
No, but why have you only...
We have done many cases. That's what I'm telling you. There are you come to the panchayat during office hours and you'll get the proof.
We will see this.
Yes, you come to the panchayat during office hours. I'll show you how many demolition orders we have issued and how many stop notices are.
I'm saying is, being elected representative, stop accepting something which is illegal. This is my only thing to you. Stop making a fool out of people.
Use your powers and finish it. You all should go make an effort to go to the site, check it out, and then put it at the meeting, and then pass it and get the license. I'll tell you why. There are some plans passed in Navani for houses and bungalows stating that the person who's constructing states that they put it at the TCP, stating that there is a nala. It's not a nala. It's a tributary of River Sal or it is River Sal in Navani. Do you all ever see that whether it is nala? There are no nalas in Navani like that. It is tributary of River Sal. So you bring it to the notice of the TCP that this is not a nala, this is a tributary of River Sal, this is River Sal. So this cannot be constructed here. There is a setback to be maintained. Why don't you all go and inspect? My suggestion to it is henceforth, please look into these details because the environment cannot be destroyed by just letting construction start.
We follow the same procedure. We put it for the body meeting, then we have an inspection.
At this point, I spoke because I'm in the biodiversity and my concern is the rivers are getting very much polluted, are already polluted by people just dumping garbage as if it's a dustbin, and people are writing nalas. So you can make a note, people are writing nalas, please look into it.
Gram Sabha meeting आजोली आणि proposal केला आमगे highway लागून National Highway 66 थिंगा daily every day they are किती गावा सारखं तो ते आता ते नॅशनल हायवे काढते इट्स अनप्लॅन प्रोजेक्ट इट्स अनप्लॅन प्लॅनिंग ना काय ना डेली दॅट्स सो आम्ही प्रपोजल केलेलो तिथं आमकां ओव्हरहेड ब्रिज जाय प्लस तिथं इल्युमिनेशन ना सायन बोर्ड नाही आणि मेन थिंग कितें तिंगा हें ना म्हणजे स्पीड लिमीट दिलो ना तेणी सो हे सगळे प्रपोजल घेवन आमी केल्ले आतां आणि लेटर केल्या दोन्ही पंचायतां नावेली आनी तेलावली प्लस पुलीस ट्रॅफिक सेलां दिला कलेक्टराक दिल्या आमच्या लोकल MLA दिल्या सो सगळ्यांनी आमी इनवर्ट करून आतां दिल्ली नॅशनल हायवे तांकां धाडटाय सो आतां आमी चोयताय एटलिस्ट समथींग शूड वर्क आवट
मेन इश्यू जंक्शनाचे हे जाता ते एक्सिडेंट जाता ते पीपल हॅव डिमांडेड स्विच बट ती ब्रिजी पासून इश्यू आहा आमच्यान पास करपाक सो ask the minister local authorities
कामाच्यान
हायवेची वेस्टर्न बायपास
तुम्ही आता नॅशनल सेंट्रल PWD कितें बरोवपाक केला सेंट्रल
सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट बिकॉज एक ग्रामसभा मेंबर आपलो सांगता